To create a posts on Bluesky social media, first we need to have our account. As you can see right here, I'm logged in. If you don't have your account, you'll be able to create it by clicking on sign up, located somewhere around there. Now when we have our account, we can click on a new post right here. If you select that, then you'll be able to choose a text, then image, video, GIF file or emojis to create your post. You can also use hashtags to make your post more discoverable for people looking for a specific thing. For example, if you're planning on adding a cat photos, then you can add cat and photos with the hashtags like that. If you also want to mention someone in your post, you can click on the this button. I forgot what it's called, sorry, but you can see it on the screen. Now you can type a name for a specific person and then he'll be tagged under this post as well. And that is basically everything.